Hello everyone, welcome back to our second session, Contacts. This session is all about adding, organizing, and managing members. Apart from the contacts, we will also peek into the Permission Center under Management, a sneak peek into what's to come in the next session. Before we start with contacts, note that this feature is only accessible to admins. Standard users won't be able to view or edit contacts. Simply click the contacts icon and it will lead you to the Members section. Here we will find separate lists for active users and inactive users. Now it's time to address our first question, how to add members. In Jodoo, we can only invite members by email. You have 3 ways to invite them. Add the members one by one, import them in batches, or share the invite link with them. With email addresses, you can choose to invite members one by one or import them in batches using Excel. Only the name and email address are required when inviting a member. Once invited, members will receive an email. Open the link attached to the email and log into or sign up for the Jodoo account to accept invitation. As soon as the invitation is sent, the member will be added to the member list. There is a limit of 1 invitation per user per day. If any member hasn't received their invite within 24 hours from the batch import, simply click Invite All again in Contacts to ensure they receive their invitations. You can also share the invite link or QR code directly to invite members. A member can open this invitation to get registered with Jodoo or directly join your team with an existing Jodoo account. Next, let's explore the art of organization. Members can be grouped by department or by roles. It is easy to understand the department. I would like to give you a brief introduction to the roles. Roles can be set for members from different departments. It helps categorize members across departments with similar responsibilities. Imagine a localization project. I need Alice from the production department to handle the local feature requests, and Lily from the translation department to translate the documents into the local language. I can create a localization role and assign it to Alice and Lily. Now, when I need to publish a localization task, instead of selecting Alice and Lily individually, I can streamline the process by assigning tasks based on the localization role. We will talk about the details of publishing tasks in the following sessions. Next, let's shift our focus to the world of admins. They hold significant control over contacts and apps. Only owners and super admins can access the Permission Center. If you decide to create a team on Jodoo, you will be the owner of this team. An owner has access to manage everything within the team, not only the apps, but also the admins and members. The owner can also create and manage super admins and regular admins. A super admin has almost the same privileges. They are pre-configured with access to all apps and contacts. They can also create or manage other super admins or regular admins, but they can't remove themselves from the super admin group. Only the owner holds that power. The regular admins don't have access to the Permission Center at all. They can only perform behaviors permitted by the owner or the super-admins towards apps and contacts. We can click Add to create a regular admin group. For example, a localization admin group. As mentioned earlier, I need Alice to handle the local feature requests and Lily to translate the documents. We can add Alice and Lily to this admin group, assign them with specific app access and context permissions. If needed, we can still edit the app, manage scope, and context permissions in the permission center in the future. That sums up contacts and admins. In the next session, we will uncover the remaining treasures for management. See you later.